wanted to just do a quick shout out to all you guys. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, watching all the videos, and asking us questions on things that we do on the channel. The channel is, check-packed of, DIY tips on how to fix things around your house, how to fix something on your lawnmower or an ATV, an RV. We have automotive repairs on it. So it's a great mecca of DIY repairs, and its channel's pretty much about everything that you would encounter as a homeowner in your everyday life. Hey, let's face it, you go outside and you fix something, you get the thing fixed that you're trying to fix, you grab a beer, you sit on the couch, you start watching a football game, 15 minutes later, the plumbing breaks. Now you gotta go fix that. That's what this channel is all about. So the money generated in this channel, it's gone a long way. It's been great. One of the things that happened, in April is Zoe, a beagle that's been on the channel. She passed away unexpectedly, so we ended up picking up this dog. So this is Shannon. You guys may have seen her in some of the newer videos, and she's 6 months old right now at the time of this video, and she was like that big when we got her, and now she's like a horse. So, you're gonna see her in a lot more videos. Hey, good girl. So without great viewers like you, I probably wouldn't have been in the position to get a new dog for the family. And Shannon's been in a bunch of videos. She's a great dog. She's 6 months old at the time of this video. So you're going to see her on the channel a lot more. She likes to hang out while working on stuff. And hey, who doesn't like a dog kicking around the garage or the house or getting involved with some stuff too? So with that said, everybody that watches and subs the channel, it's greatly appreciated. I can't say more. We love having you on. I like having you guys interact with other, subscribers on the channel and ask questions and help each other out. That's what it's all about. It's all about, the community on the channel, helping one another out. And hey, even if I show you how to do something and you have a better way or another neat trick, throw it in there, throw a comment in, I'll put it up, and you guys can help help out the other viewers, and it might show me something that I might not be aware of, and that's kind of cool too. So stay tuned. Going into the next year, we're going to have a lot of great content, a lot of jam-packed stuff. I think you guys are going to like it, and come along for the ride. It's going to be pretty awesome. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing and being involved in what we do. Take it easy.